Hi, my name is William. I'm a second grader at St. Hilary School. This is my teacher, Mrs. Castle. At school this year, we learned about social distancing, washing our hands, and wearing our masks properly to help keep us safe. We start our learning day writing in our journals. We write about the topic Mrs. Castle writes on the board. For example, would you like ice cream or hot chocolate and why? When we have reading, we use iReady packets or work on our iPads. We also break out into group sessions and read the packets. For math, we use iReady books and iPads. We learn about adding, subtracting, finding missing add-ins, and we solve word problems. We have to complete a certain amount of minutes every week for iReady math and reading. In social studies, we use scholastic magazines, work packets, and have group discussions. Some things we learned about are Martin Luther King Jr., Misty Copeland, and holiday economics. We do science experiments in class and at home, like making rainbows with mirrors, water, and sunlight. We also reported and observed the weather daily to see how it changed. We also learned about beavers and their habitats. We also have Spanish class every week. This is a special year. In religion, we are focusing on preparing to receive our first reconciliation and our first communion. Our music teacher, Mrs. Cosme, comes to our room and teaches us about rhythms, beats, the history of music, and composers. We learned about Auld Lang Syne around the New Year. When the weather is nice, we have gym outside with Mr. Jennings. When we are in the gym, there are taped off boxes that are 6 feet apart from side to side and 12 feet up and down. We have plenty of room to do our workouts and be socially distant. Our art teacher, Mrs. Rhodes, has really fun art projects, like using clay, watercolors, pet portraits. I really like second grade at St. Hilary because I love the teachers, my classmates, and the principal. St. Hilary is a really great school to learn and have fun. Please come and join us.